All right, May 6th. Good morning. So here we are in our futures account. So we are jumping into this short since our algorithm has indicated a short play on it. See, we might be a little bit late getting in. Yeah, tiny bit late here. All right, so we're in short on this. Okay, so we got our chart all marked up and all of our stop here identified, our target, our first target anyway, and then our second target will come after. We're going to go ahead and put it a OCO order in. Actually, I may just watch this one. I'll just put a stop in and watch it. Okay, so we made it most of the way to our first checkpoint. So I'm going to move our stop down now to about 25% of where we are entered at. Just a skosh. I'll do it here. 2857 is where I want to be. Nope, not that one. 28579. Alright. I think there's some on my computer today. It's really laggy, so it's actually kind of difficult right now. Not because of Thinkorswim, just because my computer is a little slow when it tries to run all the recordings and all the other stuff I have on my other monitors going on right now. If it backs up and stops us out, basically it'll cover costs and commissions. Our first target's down here. So we're either going to get our target or we're just going to get out with commissions. Okay, we're almost to our target. 2847. Alright, we're there. I'm going to go ahead and reverse this trade. We're a little bit late. Oh, come on, we're way late. Thinkorswim's been a little slow in executing orders lately. I think that's what you get for no more commissions. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put an OCO order in right now for my new target, since I reversed this. It's right here. And my stop down here. Alright, in just a second we're going to move our stop to profit here, as this new 15-minute candle just opened and is retracing like it should. Alright, so now our stop has moved into basically cover cost of commissions of this trade. So either we're going to get our target and make our nice 2-to-1 on this overall trade, or we'll just get out with a 1-to-1. Yeah. Looking at my other charts on my other monitor, so it's telling me I need to move my stop to this level right here. Basically, this is a pretty big candle here, pretty big, basically a flagpole, if you will. So sometimes it'll retrace on the next candle, on the 15-minute candles I'm looking at. It'll retrace 50% of that candle. Sometimes it'll retrace the whole thing before it collapses back down. So I move my my stop as it passed a 50% retracement right here. So it's completed its 50% retracement, so it may continue to the downward move now. But I put my stop in here just in case for a little additional profit. And then if it wants to continue as expected, it will tag out right here, and we'll have our full 2-to-1. If not, we'll get like a 1.25, 1.5. So yeah, either way, nice start to the day. This can hold on in this area for another 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and close up in here. Then there's a good chance when the next 30-minute opens, it'll have a retracement, and we'll get our profit, our full profit. We'll get stopped right there at that 2860 level. If you just look at your chart, I mean, it's pretty wild. Like, look at your 15-minute candle, look at your 30-minute candle, and just go back over like the last 30 candles or whatever, and see how many of them actually retrace the candle before it when they open, or sometime during its life, if you will. You'll see a lot of times, how often it retraces. Maybe you're looking at a chart that it never retraces, and that's not something that's going to work for you. Or you're looking at a chart that it has like always like 50% or 75% retracements, and that might be able to help you with your trading, or your where you're putting your stop or whatever. I don't know if you ever looked at that or paid attention to how often those retrace and what might happen every time a new candle opens. But I definitely I have my other chart up where I have my 30-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour candles, so that I can see as those intervals trigger what the retracements look like, so I can kind of get an idea what I might be able to expect as the clock hits those numbers. All right, so good start to the day. So we're out with more than a 1-to-1. We got 1 1/4 or 1 1/2. Unfortunately, I didn't get a great fill here, so I didn't get my full order. I wanted to have a reverse right here at 28.47. We didn't get that, or this would have been closer to like $90, $90 to $100, which would have been sweet. But yeah, there's a very good chance that this thing will hit my full piece, and then again it might not. So I'm just happy to take what the market gives me, and then look for the next trade. With my futures trading strategy and the algorithm I have for my futures trading is very specific to my futures. My algorithm I use for my regular equities trades is completely different, but I only take one winning trade per normal session in futures. So that was my winning trade for normal sessions. I won't be taking any more future trades until this evening, if I do take any more. And then if nothing else, we'll be back tomorrow, and then we'll bounce back over to the normal session and see if something pops up here so we can get another trade. All right, I wanted to jump back in here real quick and just show you this. So yeah, came all the way down, just got our first target like expected, and then went right back to our second target. We got out on the bobble there when it was breathing, if you will, and didn't quite get to enjoy all those profits. But either way, it's a green trade. I just wanted to show you how accurate the algorithm can be. Came down, bam, hit that perfectly, went right back up, bam, hit that perfectly, and now who knows what will happen. Maybe it'll roll over, maybe it'll keep going. I have no idea. So anyway, there you go. Just wanted to give you a look at the how accurate that was, and unfortunately we missed out on a little bit of profits because I wanted to trail that up because I was looking at the other 15-minute candles on a technical side, not on an algorithm side. Algorithm side, get this target and then get this target and call it a day. But then I got distracted by some technicals and took a technical play on the exit, and unfortunately didn't listen to the algorithm and missed out on some profit. But either way, it's a green day, so that's all that matters. Actually following the rules is what matters, and I kind of broke those a little bit, but protected profit, so it wasn't in a bad way, I don't think. On these trades, I like to get at least a 1-to-1, right? So if I have losers, then my winners cover my losers, which I did get. Followed the rules until I got my 1-to-1, and then after that it was all bonus money for this next target. So I got my bonus money, just didn't get as much of it as I could have got.